Get this video to 1,000 likes, my people. Comment and tell me, does Usain Bolt deserve his money? Share the video, subscribe to the channel. It's the final segment inside the Manifest Mondays. Don't go nowhere, listen to this.
Persons are inventing things to remove the blame from the authorities and from SSL and to place it onto Mr. Bolt. It's called victim blaming. And we are concerned that the matter is now taking a political direction with persons with political connection getting involved. And in some instances, members, at least one media entity, claiming to have confidential information on Mr. Bolt's account. Information from which quotations are being made to the media without a fulsome display to anyone, including Mr. Bolt, from the investigators and the persons who have confidential information. This is our position. Steps should be taken
This is his
to
lawyer.
have the matter properly
Everybody drop a like
investigated,
on the video.
including tracking the funds to see who took it and bring those persons before the court so that the funds can be recovered from them. Whoever is out there saying Mr. Bolt expects his money back from the government, Mr. Bolt has not said that, and the case before the court is not against the government. Mr. Bolt's case is against SSL. We are not satisfied that the matter has been investigated with the speed it ought to have been investigated. And we are concerned that up to now, one person has been charged, a low-level person at the entity, and we have not heard any demand from the investigators made against the persons who are in charge, the head of the stream, the leaders. We haven't heard anything regarding the investigation of their conduct and performance. And let us call a spade a spade. It's not that Mr. Bolt walked into SSL with a bag of money or a basket
Everybody
of
comment
money
and
so
tell me,
people
does he
could
deserve
grab
his
and run
money?
with it. The money was transferred by bank to bank or bank to SSL.
Alright, so we're now going to waste some more on the time, everybody. It's the final segment of Manifest Mondays. And remember, my people, whatever your dreams, your goals, and aspirations are for today, Virtual TV hopes that it bears fruit. See? Now, for this time around, since a few months ago, Usain Bolt was silenced. And he was told to circle back. Okay? Now, for many supporters, many Jamaican people, they shamed Usain Bolt and tell him that election will come. Him to circle back after election. You understand what I say? Because it is of utmost important that Andrew Holness win the election. Because it comes out that Usain Bolt speaking about his money is him trying to make Andrew Holness look bad. However the case may be, brand new updates for my people. 1,000 people like this video. And tell me, does he really deserve his money? That is the case right now. Yes, what I say, surprisingly enough, a lot of persons are not in support of Usain Bolt. A lot of persons don't support him. A lot of persons saying that him coming out to speak about his money now is only trying to create political problems. A lot of persons come out and say that him for keep concert fee money. Persons even went as far as to say that Usain Bolt dance and party too much and him lose it. A lot of Jamaican people even said that Usain Bolt for keep his mouth shut and come back next year when Andrew Holness win. And I say to you that when he was winning the records, winning the races rather, and breaking the records with the Jamaican flag on him back, everybody was cheering about the glory that he brought Jamaica. You know the people them say? Him never run for Jamaica, him run for himself. That's what they say. Fast forward to now, the calls again are renewed in the middle of what is happening with Usain Bolt right now, everybody. Everybody we are supporting, drop a like on the video. Everybody we are supporting, leave your thoughts inside the comment section. Usain Bolt situation is mandatory. Because what hurt me the other day is hearing Noah Lyles says that, did you know that his own country scam him? Noah Lyles was sitting in an interview laughing at Usain Bolt, saying that the country that he brought glory to rob him, blind, But let's hear what this article is saying. Okay? Now, the headline is Usain Bolt's lawyer says SSL received the money or the millions defrauded from his account. Because what had happened is that a member of the Jamaica Labour Party came out to question the credibility of Usain Bolt's report on whether or not he got information or he himself could give account of him putting the money into SSL. Right? They came out after he made his speech and asked him that if he was sure that he placed his money in SSL and what are the findings that he has to prove it. You understand me? Now fast forward now Jamaica. Let us get to the article. A member of track star Usain Bolt's legal team, attorney Linton Garden, says the money was placed in the account. Without a doubt, the money was placed in Usain Bolt's account. Okay? Because what they're trying to do now is to make it seem as if that Usain Bolt made a mistake in investing his money. And a member from the Jamaica Labour Party seek to ask questions on whether or not he was sure if he had done so. They're now saying this member and the JLP after Usain Bolt saying that he expected the government to do more, saying that they tried to victim shame Usain Bolt, or to basically make him try look stupid in a sense. You understand? So that now, fast forward to this, right, Jamaica, says that the approximately 12 million US dollars that was defrauded from his investment at the failed brokerage house Stocks and Securities Limited SSL was received indeed by the entity. So what are they going to say now? Remember, this is a government regulated company. And they keep on saying that if the Prime Minister and the government didn't identify a lot of the flaws in its earliest stage. Moving on. Furthermore, Mr. Gordon says all funds were lodged at SSL without a doubt by Mr. Bolt's company. Well, Jen, it was a wire transfer that was done. Okay? So everyone know who is trying to question whether Usain Bolt did put the money in at the firm, yes or no. There goes your answer. Because it is a surprise now that they're trying to make this happen. But yet again, you know, Usain Bolt must lock him out until nomination and election day done. Because people more care about Andrew Holness' third term than the legendary Usain Bolt getting back his money. See, what a lot of you don't know is that if Usain Bolt, a man or class or stature like Usain Bolt, money not safe, your one not safe neither. So for the people who are telling himself to circle back after the election, or them are try make him or try imply that he's trying to make the government look bad, it can happen to you. That is what I want you to understand for many persons who are saying these things, are trying to imply whether or not he's trying to do something about it. Okay? Now, Mr. Gordon says allegations that not all of Mr. Bolt's funds that were sent to SSL were received by the institution are false, baseless, and entirely without credibility. In a letter to the editor, the attorney added that Ken Tomlinson, who was appointed the Financial Service Commission to take temporary management at SSL or of SSL, found records confirming these lodgements and has at least has to attest to them in the Supreme Court. Now, in a subsequent interview with Radio Jamaica News, which you just heard a while ago, Mr. Gordon says there appears to be an organized effort with political undertone to shift blame onto Mr. Bolt. He's saying that political motivation or political people are trying to make Bolt look like him an idiot. Leave a like on the video, share the video, my people. Everybody who support you seeing both get this video to 1,000 likes. Comment inside in the comment section, subscribe. Bless upon yourself, my God.